Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, time for magic. Pretty cool, right? Alright, here's a cool trick you can do with a little ziplock bag. It's really cool. Check it out. All you do is cut this off. I actually cut it earlier with little scissors like so. And then you can hypnotize it and make it go back and forth. Pretty cool, right? All you have to do then, hold on to the bottom. Looks really cool. You could actually grab it. There you go. And that's it. But then you could wrap a little invisible string right there in the top, like magic. And then you grab some scissors like so. There you go. Anyway, it's a really cool trick. And I'll tell you the secret right now. Watch. And now for the secret. Alright, for this trick, all you need is a little bag and some scissors. All you do is grab the scissors. Be careful with scissors, they could cut you. Make sure your parents help you, okay? Check this out. All you do is you're gonna grab and cut that Ziploc bag. All you're gonna do is cut the little bag off like so, okay? Then you're left with this right here, and all you have to do is just cut one end off. And now you're ready to do the magic. And then you open it up like so, okay? Everything's got to be locked on the top right here, a little Ziploc, until the very bottom right here. You put your finger there, and then you move your finger down this way. It looks like you're doing some really crazy magic. Isn't that cool? Anyways, hope you guys enjoy and have fun.